Ng palasyo sa Senado ang desisyon kung paimbestigahan ang umano'y paggamit ng Priority Development Assistance Fund o PDAF ng 3 mambabatas para sa umano'y bogus non-government organizations o NGOs. Sinabi ni Presidential Spokesman Edwin Lacierda na bahala na ang mga senador na ipaliwanag ang naturang report. Walaan niyang poder ang palasyo na pakialaman ang COA report pati na rin ang gagawing hakbang ng Senado. Batay kasi sa report ng Commission on Audit nitong 2011, galing umano sa PDAF ni Senate President Juan Ponce Enrile, Senador Jinggoy Estrada at Senador Bong Revilla ang inilaan sa Zinac Rubber Estate Corporation ng Department of Agriculture. Bago pa ito nailipat sa Pangkabuhayan Foundation Incorporated na umano'y isang non-existing NGO.
If the Senate President said, we'll call for, who asked for the Senate investigation?
Senator Estrada, Jinggoy.
Well, if Senator Estrada said that he would like this investigated, our support is irrelevant to that matter. It's a separate institution.
At least for now, can we be assured that the DBM and also with this administration, this practice will no longer be tolerated or no longer be done under your watch?
Well, if DBM will be called in as a witness, they will, of course, testify in that Senate hearing. But again, that's up to the Senate if they decide to call for an investigation.
Thank you.